Hello viewers, want to instantly turn numbers into words in Excel without typing everything manually? Stick around, this trick will save you time every single day. In this video, Learn Accounting Pro Studio will show you how to create a spell number function in Excel that converts any number into words with your chosen currency. So let's start. You can download this free template from the video description to follow along. So viewers, as you would know, Excel doesn't have a built-in spell number function, but we can easily create it ourselves using the VBA editor from the developer tab. If you don't see this developer tab in Excel, no worries. Just right mouse click anywhere on the ribbon, choose the customize the ribbon and check the box for developer tab from here and press OK. Now developer tab will appear at the top. Click on the developer tab and select Visual Basic. This opens the VBA editor where we'll paste our code. Inside this editor, go to Insert and then Module. This is where we place our function so it works across the workbook. I've already attached the complete VBA code in the video description and in the comments, so you can simply copy it from there and paste it into your module. Here is the VBA code. Copy it and paste it into the new module and close the VBA editor. Now go back here. In column B you have amount. In column C you want the words. Just type formula equals to spell number. Now you will be able to see it here. Open parenthesis and select this B3 cell, comma, quotation marks. Now select your desired currency, quotation close, comma, now quotation open. Now select your sub-currency, quotation close, comma, and type true if you want to show sub-currency. And there you have $1.00 only. If you change it to false, it will show only $1 only. It will ignore sub-currency. You can also change the currency text, for example, equals to spell number, open parenthesis, select this B4 cell, comma, quotation marks, rupee, quotation close, comma, quotation open, and then paise as your sub-currency, quotation close, comma, and true if you want to show sub-currency. And there you have 156 rupees and 0 paisas only. Now you can drag this formula and apply it to other amounts as well. And don't forget, once you've added this VBA code, make sure to save your file as an Excel macro enabled workbook, otherwise the spell number function won't work the next time you open it. You can do it from File, Save As, choose your location, and from here you can select Excel macro enabled workbook and save it. I've also included a simple set of instructions on how to use this spell number function. You can easily follow these steps for your desired currency and sub-currency settings. So that's how you create a flexible spell number function in Excel that works with any currency and with or without cents. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit subscribe and share this video so more people can learn how to convert numbers into words in Excel. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next one.